How to add or set background image in Google Sheets. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, let me start with the video. Okay, so here we are. This is my Google Sheets, and we need Google Docs also. So just open the blank page of Google Docs here at side tab. Okay, first we need to come to the Google Docs, go to the insert and come to the sorry. Okay, come to the insert image, upload image from your computer. Just select that image. Now right click on it, and okay, just click on it, go to the image options, and one sec, under the adjustment we need to go in opacity, and we need to decrease it. Okay, so decrease by 50% or 40%. Okay, so image should be visible, still visible, so just decrease as per your requirement. So we need two visible text also, so make sure that it is decreased by 40% or 50%. Okay, after done, just come back, select that image, copy it, come to the Excel sheet, go to the insert, go to the drawing. Here just paste this image by clicking Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Then that image will be pasted here. Now just resize also, you can resize also. Now just save and close. The image will be insert here. Select that image, you can also resize from here. Okay, select your area. Okay, like this. Okay, I want background image only this space. Now just click outside anywhere and just start to type on your Excel sheet. Okay, so this is the one method or way you can use the background music in background image in Excel sheets. Okay, in Excel sheet also we have two options. If you go to the insert, we have image. You can insert image in the cell, or you can insert image over the cell. Okay, so it will be like insert the image over the cell like image. Okay, so you can't make it any effect like in Word. Okay, so we decrease the occupancy in Word. So here in Excel sheet there is no any option to decrease the occupancy. So that is how you can insert the or send the image background in Excel sheet. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.